Today I'm going to Kane's Donuts in downtown Boston. There's one in Saugus, which is a little north, but today's a really crappy day, so I'm gonna have to take the subway, or the T as they say in Boston. So let's get it going. I'm gonna show you how bad it is outside. All right, bye. Gonna need a little rain jacket today.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Dude, it should be illegal to get a parking ticket. It's raining. I'm walking to the T. Today is a miserable day. It is raining. I got a parking ticket. Sheesh. Can it get any worse? I'm gonna try and brighten my day with a little donut. A little coffee this morning. Feeling great so far. I'm not gonna let this rain stop me. All right, I'll take it later. Okay, mission accomplished. Now to get it back in one piece, or not soaking wet. Okay, wish me luck. Your boy had to be extra careful, making sure these were safe and sound. Okay, I bought 3 donuts. Let's check them out. I bought the pink strawberry frosted. Looks pretty cool. I got a honey. Woo! They're sliding out. They're flying out. Okay, I got 3 donuts. I'll show you the pic. Look at that. Okay. Strawberry frosted. Honeydew. And then a pumpkin beer donut. Okay. Pumpkin beer donut. Woo, I am wet. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Let's try with the strawberry frosted. This was recommended by the lady up front. It is a little moist. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. That's strawberry robbery. Pretty good. I'm excited about these donuts. They're really good. Now we got the pumpkin beer donut. You can taste that pumpkin. Whoa. Okay, so these are just, so far these taste like an elevated Dunkin' Donuts, like an elevated, you know? You're taking the elevator up. You're going one stop above, maybe 2. This is a honeydew. What it do, baby boo? No, least favorite. Least favorite. This is number 3, babe. Okay? Number 3. It's number 3 for sure. I think this is number 2, the strawberry. Actually, good strawberry donut. I mean, probably the best strawberry donut I've ever had. I don't usually get strawberry. I used to. I used to. But the best, by far, is the pumpkin beer donut, dude. Am I a basic bitch for liking pumpkin? I just fall. Whoa. Well, this is a cake donut. That's cheating. That's cheating. So, this is all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna rank them. So we got first, the pumpkin. 2, strawberry wobbery. And 3, honeydew. I'll say, the best of the best. We're getting an 8.2. The people were super friendly. They're big donuts. Price is okay. Yeah, 8.2, that's a review, bye.